Hello everyone.
Hello. One thing we want to share with you, and that is
We're launching our own record label.
yes,
The record label is called BIY, Believe in Yourself.
BIY Records coming
will be-
extremely soon. Bye bye.
Good night.
We're both using these fancy gimbals. I just like our swords. You want to fight with me? You want to fight? You want to fight? And we're gonna go and surprise Mandana in her office. गाड़ी निकाल. आप यहीं रुके रहे. ठीक है? Okay. So we're gonna do this very complicated pickup, Kareem pickup. That's Muzna, guys. She forgives me for not taking her phone calls. Can I see myself in this vlog? Oh wow, that's so cool. Acha. So I think the most important part of this vlog today is talking about DIY. My journey was always about, okay, we have to do it, I have to do it myself. And the concept of DIY, which is, I guess, a very common concept today, was something that was not so common in those days. I'm talking about 90s. Every time I make a song, I feel like it's my creative process and I want to write that song for myself. But I think the concept of BIY to DIY makes complete sense, that I love to see others do the same thing.
I wrote something which can inspire me actually.
My role in sort of pushing them in the right direction or supporting them in whatever best ability that I can, which helps them DIY. It's very important that it helps them DIY. वो मेरा, I think, role है, and I think that's what BIY is becoming for me. थोड़ा सा जरा खुश आमदेद कीजिए. देखा हमारी बीवी कितनी हॉट लग रही है. Never come to your wife's workplace. दफ्तर में मैं आया हूँ only to realize कि मैं freak out कर गया because मेरे और मदाना के दरमियान जो काम का एक separation है, वो बड़ी heavy duty किस्म की है. The thing that I love the most anywhere in the world is these small parks, like these small grounds. Basically these parks, or rather these small grounds, they create another sort of एक और ही किस्म की ना एक वो बनती है, दोस्तियाँ बनती हैं. ये neighborhood को collect करने की space होती है. ठीक है ना? कहाँ जा रहे हैं यार? ये Sanjana's glasses.
This is so cute.
Sanju, I wore your glasses. I need to totally dye my beard very soon. Like either it should be completely white. The salt and pepper look. बालों में I don't mind it. But यहाँ के बाल अभी grey नहीं हो रहे, यहाँ के होना शुरू हो गए. And it's horrible. So we're going to have we do need a roadmap, we do need a direction, and the reason why I'm sharing this with you right now is that because we haven't had all these things, this thing hasn't taken flight, it has not gone forward.
But it's not a small dream. So if it's that a bigger dream, we need to have a plan in action. Like a plan of action, a business plan, or whatever you want to call it, I don't know.
नहीं but अब देखो ना, लेकिन अब तुम business woman तो नहीं हो.
हम में से कोई भी business
वैसे कोई businessman
समझता
नहीं
है.
है. So I'm going to call Fahad. जो बोले वो कुंडी खोले. इसने हमसे कमिटमेंट किया था कि मैं हेल्प आउट करेगा. So let's see what he has to say.
Hello.
Mr. Fahad, how are you?
Good, Ali Noor. What about yourself?
आप मेरे I'm good. आप मेरे व्लॉग के ऊपर बड़े कमेंट्स दे रहे हैं.
यार आपने बड़ा एंटरटेन करके रखा हुआ है हमें तो
मैं आपको बेसिकली ऑन व्लॉग इसलिए शूट कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई वांट टू होल्ड यू फॉर व्हाट यू टोल्ड मी इन श्रीलंका कि यू गोना हेल्प मी आउट विद द DIY स्टफ.
listen, you know, I've been a big believer in the idea itself, right? So it's just about starting somewhere, and I think you've started already. मेरा ख्याल से हमें इसके ऊपर जरा सोचकर से बैठ के बात करनी पड़ेगी. I had jotted down some thoughts the last time we spoke about it. So आपका कोई कराची चक्कर लग रहा हो तो please come over. We can have a nice cup of coffee and थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं इसके ऊपर.
Done.
भूलेंगे हम
We want to kind of build a community over time. It builds over the years.
आजाद, ये कैटी क्या कर रही है?
बेबी कैट मेरी मिल्क पी सकती है ना?
तुम्हारा मिल्क नहीं. क्या ये लाइटें हैं, शाइटें हैं, ये सब हमारा सिचुएशन जो है ना, ये कुछ सही नहीं जा रही. मुझे सब कुछ नया चाहिए. I'm getting really bored with this stuff. यहाँ तुम लाइट रख रही हो जमीन के ऊपर के हमको लाइट मिल जाए करे. This is the beginning of my journey of building DIY. I think that is something I'm solely focusing on. Today DIY is at least born in my mind, and I hope there's no turning back from here.